Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to restore your PIN if you've forgotten it on the MSI Thin A15. If you've forgotten your PIN, then there is this button I forgot my PIN and it'll only work if you have Microsoft account logged in, but since it is mandatory to log in with Microsoft, you most probably will be able to do it. But if you for some reason have a local account, then you'll need to just either restore it with security questions that you set up while setting the password, or by just reinstalling the Windows. So if you want to reinstall Windows, there is a video on our channel on how to do it on this laptop from a USB drive, so you can just find it. And now I'm gonna click on I forgot my PIN, and it asks me for my Microsoft account. And if you don't remember your Microsoft account password, then unfortunately there's no way to restore it. Maybe installing Windows from USB may work, but I cannot guarantee, and sometimes it'll get locked with BitLocker keys, so I'm not entirely sure about that. And here I'll just enter my password since I know it. And then it'll send a code to my email, so I'm gonna select my email. Sometimes it'll also be the phone number, and I'm gonna find it on my email. Then I just need to enter it here. And click on enter. Then I can set a new PIN, so I'm gonna click on continue. Then set a new one. And now it's done. So that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.